Hello friend, today I start trigonometry. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics in which we study to measure side, angle, length and area, mostly right angle triangle. So what is right angle triangle? The triangle in which having one angle 90 degree is called a right angle triangle. There are six functions in trigonometry, that is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, cot theta, sec theta. We draw a right angle triangle, that is ABC. Angle ABC is 90 degree and CAB is theta. Suppose that is AB is base is denoted by small b, BC is perpendicular is denoted by small p, and AC is hypotenuse is denoted by small h. Sin theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse, that is base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base, perpendicular upon base. Cosec theta equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Sec theta equal to hypotenuse upon base. The last is cot theta equal to base upon perpendicular, that is base upon perpendicular. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Let us talk a question. Question number first. If sin theta equal to 3 by 5, then find all other functions value. So we draw a right angle triangle, that is ABC. Angle ABC is 90 degree, CAB is theta. Suppose since sin theta equal to 3 by 5, that is 3 is perpendicular, 5 is hypotenuse, so P equal to 3 and H equal to 5. So B equal to find out करना है. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square, that is hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So the value of hypotenuse, that is 5, and perpendicular, that is 3. Base find out करना है. So 5 square, that is 25, 3 square 9 plus b square. B square equal to 25 minus 9 square, that is equal to 16. So b equal to plus minus 4, but we take b equal to plus 4 because b is a distance and a distance is never negative, it is always positive. So find the other functions value, that is cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse, that is base equal to 4 and hypotenuse equal to 5, that is 4 by 5, and tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base, that is perpendicular 3 and base 4, perpendicular 3 and base 4. The next is cosec theta equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, that is hypotenuse 5 and perpendicular 3, hypotenuse 5 and perpendicular 3. The next is sec theta equal to hypotenuse upon base, hypotenuse, that is 5, base 4. So cot theta equal to base upon perpendicular, that is base 4 and perpendicular 3, that is 4 by 3. Reciprocal relation, that is sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta equal, this is implies sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. This is formula. Cos theta equal to 1 upon sec theta, that is equal to cosec theta, that is equal to cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. Next, third is tan theta equal to 1 upon cot theta, tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. So relation between sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sin theta upon cos theta equal to tan theta is square relation, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. And find a new question, that is question number second. If cot theta equal to b by a, then prove that b sec theta divide a cosec theta equal to 1. So LHS, b sec theta divide a cosec theta equal to b into 1 by cos theta. Since sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta and a into sec cosec theta को we can write 1 upon sin theta, that is cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. So b upon cos theta into a upon sin theta into sin theta upon a, that is equal to b by a into sin theta upon cos theta, that is b into a tan theta. Sin theta divide cos theta, that is equal to tan theta, that is equal to tan theta. Relation between sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sin theta divide cos theta equal to tan theta. So we can write sin theta divide cos theta equal to tan theta. B upon a into 1 upon cot theta. We can write tan theta 1 by cot theta. Tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta. So b by a into 1 upon, find the value of cot theta, that is equal to b by a. Since cot theta equal to b by a given already, so we put the value of cot theta, that is equal to b by a into 1 upon the value of cot theta b by a, that is equal to b by a into a upon b, that is equal to 1. So please my dear friend, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and click bell icon to find latest update. Thank you.